I'm learning the software as I go and do this. I've literally, that is definitely a text message that just interrupted. Awesome. What's up everybody, this is Scott. Welcome back to another video. Well, just a little while ago I opened my big mouth and I said this. So you guessed it, I am a man of my word. I have decided that I'm going to record on nothing but a mobile device. So everything that you see here is shot on a Google Pixel 3 XL. Currently it's on a tripod, obviously, that just makes things easier. And a little further in the video, I'm going to use a little bit of handheld gimbal work with the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. I really butchered through that saying. The DJI Osmo Mobile 3, that's much better. Thanks, post-production. After that, I also talked about how I wanted to edit on nothing but a Pixelbook. So I have acquired a Pixelbook, and I'm going to try to edit on nothing but a Pixelbook. So a little TLDR here on this particular story. I tried to load DaVinci Resolve. I'm not very good at Linux. I was able to get it installed, kinda, but it didn't work. So now I've given up because I'm completely frustrated by it, and I'm gonna go on nothing but using KineMaster and PowerDirector. So it's either gonna be both or a combination of the two, but everything that you see in here, including the color grading, the audio, everything, shot on a mobile device, using nothing but a Pixelbook and a Pixel 3 XL. So yeah, not sure what else to expect. The microphone that you hear, I have recorded this 4 times. The first time I tried to use the Google Camera app, and the audio issue that evidently has plagued some Pixels plagued mine. So I had to re-record using Filmic Pro. So when I recorded 2 times ago, I had the microphone clipped right here, but it was clipping super bad, so I went and I clipped it right here to the middle of my chest. And then it still clipped, and now it's clipped right here in frame that you can't see, and that's probably why it sounds a little more muffly, a little more vibrant, because I don't have a lot of soundproofing here. I do a lot of my sound in post-production, which I don't know if I'm even going to be able to do that on a Pixelbook, because I don't know what KineMaster and PowerDirector do from an audio perspective. Everything that you see here, shot on a mobile. The montage that you're getting ready to see was shot handheld and a little bit of gimbal work using the Pixel 3 XL. I'm going to try to do color correction and slow motion and movement, just like you would see in a normal review video from me. So who knows? It may look great. It may look awful. So what I'm going to ask you to do is leave a comment below if you think that this looked pretty decent. So I'm going to cut in from the post-production floor and show you some of the things that I've been able to accomplish. I'm probably not using the program anywhere near the realm of where it needs to be, but I'm going to try to do the best I can and show you what I was able to accomplish. So without that, let's get to the montage. Woo, my montage! Okay, so I'm cutting in after you've seen the montage. I didn't make a huge montage because you get the general point. Like, it can go with the flow, I can add music. As you can probably hear in some of the background, I've got the music to kind of key down and really hear what I'm doing. So I decided to use KineMaster, where I'm making all of this. So everything that you see is made through that particular app. That includes music, that includes color grading, that includes all of it. It's definitely been something that's pretty interesting to me. As you can see, I don't think the quality is terrible. A couple things that I did notice. I'm filming this and filmed the primary roll before this on the selfie cam, the front-facing camera of the Google Pixel 3 XL. As you can see with the little Baymax character and the Red Bull can, when I'm standing further away, the quality just looks that much better. So the thing I would probably do next is film using the rear cameras. I just kind of threw this out there to see if I could pull it off. I would definitely think that this is something that you could shoot in a pinch for sure if you were traveling and you wanted to travel really light and you wanted to do some very light editing. Pixelbook far and away does exactly what I would need it to. I could make this work. However, I really like the crispiness that I get in my 35mm DSLR Canon lens, and it's just something that I prefer. but it doesn't look terrible. I think the next video I'm going to do is probably with just the rear camera, maybe a Moment lens. I don't know, something like that. But the idea is you can pull off a lot of interesting things. So again, kind of the key takeaways: I'm filmed with a front-facing camera, rear-facing camera, definitely stabilization. One thing I've noticed in KineMaster, there is no stabilization that I've been able to find. If you know where the stabilization is in KineMaster, leave a comment below. I do know that in PowerDirector it is for sure there, but to be completely honest, I really like the way that the colors looked in KineMaster. Keep in mind I'm still editing here, so I'm going to throw this in. I just like the way that the colors looked better in KineMaster than I did in PowerDirector. Maybe another video I'll make it with PowerDirector, so we'll see. So far this experiment has been, I would say, a success. If you think so, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If this is something that you would, I don't want to say prefer, but if I could pull this off and make it look halfway decent, let me know. So that's it. That's all I have. I'm cutting in right now. I'm filming this outro well before I've ever actually filmed anything else or even edited. So if it looks good, comment below. If it looks bad, don't unsubscribe. Please.